Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY Zen garden using a few items that I got from the Dollar Tree. So first, I painted this bin green to look kind of like bamboos. I added one coat of green first, and then I let it dry a little bit before adding stripes on top of it like this. Then I gently made little marks to resemble the bamboo. Once the paint dried completely, I poured sand into the bin and then placed some rocks strategically to look kind of like a Zen garden. And then last but not least, I used a tiny fork to make design in the sand. This DIY Zen garden is so easy to make, and it is great to just use it to clear your mind and not think about anything. So do you like videos like this? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.